Morning, Luna. Good morning, Ashley. Good morning, Madison. Guys, it's beauty. Good morning, guys. I don't think I've said good morning, have I? Yes. Chop, 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 chopped. Ashley did a fantastic job this morning. They've just run to Target. Luna's ready for her walk. Kaylee's coming at 12. She's got half an hour yet, but I like to get her harness on because then Luna knows that she's coming and she sits and waits. It's so cute. I'm just going to have a cup of coffee. I've had one already. The sun is shining. You can see all my windows are condensation. Guess because it's warmer inside and colder outside. It was only 40 odd when we woke up this morning. But it's changing. I think Ash and John are going to go to the beach next week because it's supposed to be in the 70s and 80s. I feel guilty saying that. Come see us. Anyone who wants to come see us, come see us. Now, I'm not playing with it because I don't like it. I'm playing with it just to get it where it should be because I'm warm because I was doing my hair in the, when I had a shower, it was hot in there and I was drying it and stuff. But I am so thrilled with it. She does such a great job. I've got my shirt on. Can't see the back. No. All right, let's get this coffee. It's poured. I just need to add sugar and milk. Looking forward to that. And should I have some toast? Do I have any bagels? I only have frozen bagels. I bought this bread so I could make my own paninis because they didn't have them in the store. Well, maybe I'll make a piece of toast. Let's do that because I need something. It is, like I said, 11:30 already and I haven't eaten anything. I've had coffee. Oh, the lighting's quite good right there, isn't it? Should I just stand here and vlog all day? I have been watching a lot of different vlogs. I've been trying to catch up with you guys as well. Guys, check each other out in the comments because a lot of people that do comment have channels, whether they're vlogging or doing other things. But yeah, it's definitely fun to get to know each other. I'm all for that. And guys, if you have any recommendations of vlogging channels, I kind of steer towards vlogging because that's what I do and I just love to watch everybody's daily lives and stuff. But if you know of any that you don't think I've come across, feel free. Oh, I can't remember who mentioned it to me yesterday, but Julie, a friend of ours, Julie in Connecticut, I thought I had mentioned this, but I don't think I did. I was really upset over it. Lost her son, Daniel, last week. Daniel was special needs, and Julie and her husband, her daughter, her son, all the caregivers that used to come in and help when she could get help, were fantastic. And I can't remember how old he was. I think when I started watching her vlogs, he was 16. It's just so sad. It's so sad. And, you know, how do you get over the loss of a son, a child? You know, we're not supposed to lose our children. We're supposed to go first. Well, anyway, I'm glad you mentioned it to me because I thought I had mentioned it on here, but obviously I hadn't. So we're thinking of you, Julie. I know you're probably not watching. Why would you? But we are all thinking about you and we send you our prayers. And Suzanne, we hope everything went as well as can be expected. It's another weird thing to say. Hope it went well, but you know what I mean. Oh, Mom, go have a drink or a dance or a boogie. with Suzanne's mum. Yeah. Not easy times, guys. Definitely not. So today we're going with peanut butter. I got this from Aldi the other day. It's really nice. Spreadable Irish butter. Usually when it says spreadable butter, it's not. But I wanted it for a change. It's nice. Today we're sporting the Avon representative mug. Business, business, business.
Here in the rainforest.
So with the Rainforest Cafe. Ashley hasn't been since she was little. It's raining. We got stickers from our server. John's a lion. Ashley's a giraffe, and I'm a big fat elephant. And Maddie's a cheetah. Hi, Maddie. She's watching the big fishies.
I see that coming in.
Good job Luna's not here. Oh, the elephant's gonna go mental. Okay, so this sandwich is called the Iggy Piggy, and now I know why. Only pigs eat it. Actually got chicken, cheese, and one bacon. She told the guy she just wanted cheese and bacon. He goes, no chicken? And John got the ribs. Not gonna lie, I'm exhausted. I'm gonna make a cup of tea and chill out. It is 6:25. My big purchase today was some Alice in Wonderland tea. Topsy-turvy blend, sounds about right. Bit topsy-turvy. And this is just the black, regular black tea, because they did have different flavors, which I didn't realize. I was picking it for the packaging, and then I realized, oh no. So, topsy-turvy tea. Sorry. And then my other big purchase was some mints for my handbag. Oh wait, I did buy a shirt. So guys, I couldn't resist. I had to get this sloth hiking team. I want to be part of my brother walks and hikes for miles. And it's from the Rainforest Cafe, but it says, relax. We will get there when we get there. And I just thought that was perfect for me. The girl said she loved this one, and she just drank out of the cup, her tea or coffee, whatever she was having. But I thought it was cute, and it was right up my alley because I can't walk fast. So me and the sloth have a lot in common. Okay, so the tea is actually a flavored tea. It has bergamot in it and orange bits and stuff. So obviously I didn't put milk in. Let's see. Oh, that's nice though. Wow, look at me. This is the 3rd box of teas I bought that I don't put milk with, and I'm actually enjoying them. Don't get me wrong, I love my milk and sugar in my tea. And Ashley bought me a cupcake, so I'm going to have that with my tea, and then I will edit the vlog. But I'll actually say my goodbyes now because it's almost 7. I'm shattered. I'm absolutely shattered, I'm not going to lie. But it's fun to walk around. It was so busy. Obviously, I wasn't thinking it was going to be that busy because the last few times I've been, it hasn't. Last twice I've only been twice. 3 times now. It wasn't really busy, but it's the weekend. This is a bad angle. Hold on. Why aren't you going? Oh, I'll do it after. So I had to also change my laptop case. I ordered this off Amazon. I am going to put it in the description box below because it really is a nice one. I had the clear one with glitter, but it cracked on the corner and all the pieces were coming off. One day I saw something on there and I thought it was something else, and I was like, oh, plastic. Then I realized my computer cover case was disintegrating, so I just got that light pink one. It looks purple now, but it also came with a little free cover, so I've put the cover on. I always use them for a while, but then I find it slows my typing down. But I'll give this one a go because it really is pretty. And then my iPad case got all scratched up, so I thought, well, while I'm at it, I'll just get the light pink case. So we're all pink. Pink, the pink, the pink. Right. I'm going to love and leave you guys for this evening. I hope everybody had a brilliant, brilliant Saturday. Whatever it is you did today, I hope it was a good one. And we'll definitely see you tomorrow. Take care, guys. Stay safe. And if you haven't, please subscribe.